burden the other was carrying and walked him home. But in doing so, he saved a life. What touches me about this story is the power of connections and the profound impact that simple connections can have on others. Independent of race, ethnicity, family structure, and poverty status, adolescents who are connected to their parents, to their families, and to their school community are healthier than those who are not. At a recent workshop I attended, a presenter shared that it takes only 10 two-minute interactions to establish a connection with another person. As a school resource officer, it is the building of these connections that both the Toronto Police Service and myself personally believe can make the difference. It has been my aim to make a connection with all 1,200 students at Newton Brook. The ones who congregate in the gym to play sports, those who head to the mall for their lunch break, the studious and those who are still trying to get it right, the chess players, the breakfast club, and occasionally those that end up in the office for one reason or another. Perhaps the connection I make will positively influence a choice they are faced with or a decision they have to make. Perhaps the connection will change their lives in some small way, or who knows, some great way. Perhaps the connection will change their views about the police and encourage them to seek us out when they are in trouble or need support. Measuring the success of the School Resource Officer program is complicated, as it is difficult to tally or pie chart connections. It is also difficult to know how these connections are specifically making a difference in the lives of our youth. We may never know if the youth who was contemplating using drugs turned down the offer because of a connection, or if the youth who was feeling depressed and lonely was made to feel valued and cared about. What we do know is that connections matter. Connections can make a difference, and that our youth matter enough for all of us to stay connected. I hope that kind of sums up what my job is at Newton Brook. I know that there is a protocol as to what our job is at the school and what it is I'm supposed to be doing while I'm there at the school. But I hope that gives you an overview as to what my belief is the important piece at Newton Brook, and that is making the connections with the kids. I know because of the program, we started off with 30 officers at 30 different schools throughout the city. And as of next year, we are going to 60 officers at 60 different schools. In 32 Division, which is, goes from Lawrence Avenue to Steeles to Bayview over to Dufferin, we did have 2 schools this year, and we are going to 6 schools. We'll have 2 middle schools and 4 high schools as of next September.